Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you Veg Manchurian recipe. Take a small cabbage one. Now grate it into small pieces. Now press and drain the water from the cabbage. One cup cabbage. Half cup carrot. 1 teaspoon chopped ginger garlic paste. 2 tablespoons spring onions. Half teaspoon salt. Half teaspoon mirchi powder. Half teaspoon garam masala. 2 teaspoons corn flour. 3 teaspoon all-purpose flour. Mix well. Make a small balls. Heat oil. Now fry them for 5 to 10 minutes on medium flame. Two tablespoon oil. 1 tablespoon chopped garlic. 1/4 cup spring onions. 1/4 cup spring onion stock. 1 teaspoon vinegar. 2 teaspoon red chili sauce. 1 teaspoon soya sauce. Mix well. Two tablespoon tomato ketchup. Pinch off salt. Half tablespoon black pepper powder. Half teacup water. Take a bowl, add 1 teaspoon flour. Add half cup water. Mix well without lumps. Now add the mixture. Mix well continuously. Now add the fried vegetable balls. Mix well. Garnish with spring onion stock. Turn off the flame. Ready to serve. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel.